If you love simple nails and don't want to miss out on that special touch, check out this naked beauty tutorial. Let's go! After applying the base powder layer, first apply a layer of base coat and then dip the nail into the color latte. Use a clean brush to remove any excess powder. For better coverage, repeat the process on all nails once more. Next, apply the first layer of activator and let it dry for 2 minutes. Then shape the edges nicely with a file and adjust the surface with a buffer. For a more beautiful nail curvature, work with the buffer from the center of the nail to the free nail edge. Afterwards, apply a second layer of activator and let it dry for another 2 minutes. Now, apply the first layer of top coat and place the rhinestones on the nail using a wooden stick or tweezers. Work nail by nail to ensure the top coat doesn't dry out before the rhinestones are placed. Let it dry for 2 minutes to make the rhinestones adhere. Finally, seal the nails with the second layer of top coat. For extra shine, apply some nail oil. Et voila! How do you like the design? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and have fun trying it out.